Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. Children, today let's start our fifth chapter and that is Control Panel. And this chapter we are going to learn about applets in Control Panel, appearance and personalization, and also how to change screensaver and desktop background. So before going to that topic, let me show you some images. So see here, what can you see here? Yes, a human body. And do you know children, a human body is made up of many systems. You can see here, isn't it? Yes, nervous system, digestive system, circulatory system, etc. And these all systems helps us in our smooth functioning of our body. Like this, our computer is also made up of many different components. Here you can see software and hardware. That means our computer is made up of software and hardware. So hardware, what does it mean? Yes, it is the parts of the computer which we can touch and feel. And it includes input devices and output devices. So what is a software? Yes, software are programs which are installed into the memory of the computer and it helps us to perform a particular task. And children, there are two categories of software. One is system software and another is application software. And children, the most important system software of the computer is operating system. Do you know any example for operating system? Yes, Windows. Isn't it children? Yes. And now we have the application software. And examples of application softwares are Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, VLC Player, etc. And we have seen different kinds of application softwares in our mobile as well as in our laptop. And we call it as applications or apps. Isn't it children? So children, do you know what is the difference between mobile application and desktop application? Children, software applications which are designed to run on mobile devices are called mobile application. And applications which are designed for desktop or laptop computers, they are called desktop applications. And both we call as applications and they are softwares. And children, now I hope you got the relationship between software, program and application. In general, we can say that these all are same. And children, do you notice in our laptops or computers, we can see several mini programs like clock, language, appearance, etc. Yes, children, let's come to the topic control panel now. So, what is the role of control panel here? Yes, so this control panel has many such mini programs or small applications and we call them as applets. What is that? Applets, and which are used by us for performing specific simple functions. Okay, so I will show you one by one so that you can understand more about it. So control panel is a feature of the Windows operating system and it allows us to modify system settings through these applications. So children, I have already told you this control panel consists of different applets or applications and it allows us to edit the settings of both software and hardware devices of the computer. And here you can see the icon of a control panel. And children, this control panel has many small applications and they are called applets. APPLETS. Now let's see how to open the control panel of a computer. First, you have to click on the start button. Okay. Then after that, click on the control panel on the right pane. Here you can see. Yes. So click on the control panel. So when you click on the control panel, this window will appear. That is the control panel window. Okay. Yes. Here you can see different categories of applications like system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts and family safety, appearance and personalization, clock language and region, ease of access. And in this chapter, we will discuss about each of this. Okay, children? Let us discuss about its viewing options. You can see there, that is the view by option, and when you click on the drop down arrow of the view by option, you can see different views. And what are they? Yes, the first one is category, then large icons and small icons. So select any of these viewing options by clicking on it. So the category is the default one. So when you open the control panel, you can see the applications in category view. Here you can see it is the category. Okay. And when you click on the large icon, you can see like this. Okay. Yes, every apps can be seen in large icon. And when you click on the small icons menu, you can see the applications or applets like this. Okay. So these are three different viewing options in control panel. So children, try to read the textbook thoroughly and also practice what I have taught in your system. Okay. Yes. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class with some applications or applets of control panel and its functions. My dear children, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Be safe. Take care. Bye.